What's been happening at Maitland Local Court? Or should I say, what police pursuits have been happening around Maitland this week? Yes, there were about 120 people listed to appear, but we only heard about one, which you guessed it, is allegedly a police pursuit. So let's just jump in and answer the usual police pursuit questions. First, what type of cars are people allegedly doing police pursuits in? This pursuit allegedly was in an unregistered red hatchback, which police claim was being driven dangerously. Second question, do people do police pursuits in their own car or in stolen cars? Media release doesn't say. However, I noticed the driver wasn't charged with the usual stolen car type offence. So does this mean the 29-year-old driver owned the allegedly unregistered hatchback or had permission of the owner to drive the hatchback in the police pursuit? Third question, how did it end? Did the cops roll out the road spikes? Yep, police claim road spikes were rolled out just outside of Maitland. This allegedly started at East Maitland on Friday night and ended at Cliffley. Cliffley is just outside of Maitland. Police refused bail and the driver appeared at Parramatta Local Court on the Saturday, which is the weekend bail court for New South Wales. By the way, this is usually done via video. I'm not sure what the court did in Parramatta, but the case was listed back here at Maitland Local Court on Wednesday. Also not sure what Maitland Local Court did because I can't find any public information about this case. There's no newspaper stories. There's footage doing the rounds on the news and the socials of this alleged police pursuit. Yes, even with footage, you've still got to say alleged. But if you were interested in getting an up-close look at how this unregistered hatchback fared in a police pursuit with road spikes, well, the red hatchback spent most of the week parked where the alleged pursuit ended on Main Road at Cliffley. Will those tyres pass rego? Can we give police pursuits a rest? Because we have 3 cases coming up next week to watch out for to see if we get any public information about them. First, there's a new fraud case that's expected to be heard for the first time at Maitland. Second, there's the East Maitland traffic light high range drink driver that's due to be sentenced at Tweed Heads Local Court. One of the Greenhill barbers is listed for sentencing at Newcastle next week. Let's see if we get to hear how the court dealt with these Maitland cases.